May 1st, 2013, Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, Canada. The Moose Jaw River spills its banks. This is a view from the crest of the hill along Valley View Drive, looking down towards the dam, of which you can only see a thin line. And my dog frolicking in the snow. For a dog that's not supposed to like snow, it has loved this winter. And of course the snow fell on April 30th. Just one measure of the type of spring we've had here in Saskatchewan. You see the river flowing under the bridge there. That's the 7th Avenue Southwest Bridge. This is the west side of the city on the south. And you can get an indication of the spillage of the river onto the banks by this pool of water here down at the bottom of the hill. There. You can see how the river has spilled its banks along here. Presents quite a vista this time of year. Well, this time of year the flooding should be over and we should have spring and the flowers should be starting to emerge from the ground, but this is Saskatchewan 2013. One of the colder ones on record. I think that's good. One more shot of the dog exploring, always exploring, back into the snow. Okay, that's enough.